In today's video, we're diving into one of Canva's newest AI features, Code for Me. We're not just making any old design. Nope. We're going to create a digital birthday card that explodes with confetti, and I'll show you how to use Code for Me to write the code needed to create the card. This tool lets you take your idea, type it out, and it instantly generates working code. HTML, CSS, even animations all right inside the editor, where you can watch the code generate. You can create interactive designs without ever needing to know a single line of code. Think of what you could do if you were to really understand it and run with it. The possibilities are endless. With Canva open, you will see the What Will You Design Today heading, and right under that you'll see 3 buttons: Your Designs, Templates, and Canva AI. Click on Canva AI. This opens up a text box where you can type in your instructions. You'll also see a little plus sign where you can upload media or pull from your designs, a microphone if you want to speak instead of type, and 5 buttons at the bottom: Design for Me, Create an Image, Draft a Doc, Code for Me, and Create a Video Clip. We want to click on Code for Me. Once Code for Me is open, you will see 2 sections directly below it: Recent Chats and See What You Can Do with AI. Canva gives you ready-made examples of what's possible. Things like interactive cards, a countdown timer, a restaurant menu, a calculator, and flashcards. One of those examples is a birthday card that explodes with confetti. That's the one we'll use in this video today. Go ahead and click on it. It doesn't open a new page. Instead, Canva automatically places the prompt into the text box. Read it over, and just make sure that it has everything that you want included. If you need to make any tweaks, go ahead and do it now. When you are satisfied with the prompt, click Generate. Your screen will split in 2. On the right, Canva starts writing code. It looks super intense and like something is totally out of control. Kinda just fun to watch it do its thing. On the left, you'll see the original prompt, a summary of what was created, and some options to customize the design. Once all the code is finished, we have our first version of the birthday card. Go ahead and make it personal, adding a few things to change it up. Let's switch the message up to say, "Happy birthday, Sarah." Oops, that didn't work quite like I wanted it to. I guess we will leave it as Emma. You can tweak the background, maybe add a gradient. You can even change the confetti colors and switch up the font, just like any other Canva design. It's all customizable, which makes it really powerful. Once again, we click to generate new code and wait for the second version. It will take a few seconds to complete. At the top, there are a few handy controls. A reset button, if you want to start over. A show code slider that reveals the full code, which you can copy if you'd like to use it elsewhere, and a Use in Design button. Click that and you can drop your card into different formats, like a website, presentation, doc, or whiteboard. Each one works a little differently, but all can be shared and downloaded. And that's it. You just made a confetti exploding super cool birthday card with Canva's AI Code for Me. Don't forget that you can add your own prompt to get your ideas coded and fleshed out. Try grabbing another prompt from the examples, or better yet, write your own prompt and see what you get. I'll also include links to my 2 other Canva AI videos in the video description. You may find them interesting as well. If you found this content helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.